We here Electric Wednesday.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I forgot to shoot an intro for yesterday's Electric Wednesday. We had Jackrabbit in again, doing some test rides, and also Fend Helmet showing off their foldable helmets. And we had a great turnout. It was an awesome night. A lot of people doing test rides of all different models of the Jackrabbits, from the OG to the OG 2, the OG Pro, XG Pro. Really awesome. It was a great time over at Focal Point Beer. So enjoy this little video that I put together of some test rides and some of our crazy antics that go down at Electric Wednesday, and hope to see you next time there. Enjoy.
The Tiffany is sweet. Classic Ben and Jerry's. Legendary. The OG 2.
And everybody's got them. I already felt it. Oh, really? How you doing?
Try to invite everyone I know with Jackrabbit around the area.
You know what?
Definitely not.
It might be this one. That's pretty much, right?
I'm going to get one of these for my birthday.
Something to put on the tire? Oh.
Or it just makes me a little nervous.
Hey. What's up?
What's going on? What's going on?
Uh-oh. What's up? Good to see you. Infinite Machine.
Well, tarp helps like eliminate interest, you know.
Yeah.
But we're on the elevator.
Yeah.
It's gonna be fucking work to take that shit out. You better hope I don't come and catch you.
One lunch. I only had one lunch. And I was in East New York doing delivery.
You wildin', boy.
Yeah.
You crazy, bro.
I mean, that's not.
The only Andy burned it.
But you could program.
We got a comms helmet here for Jeff.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah.
Appreciate that, man.
You got it.
I'm actually on the phone with her right now.
Oh, sweet.
Man, I got your helmet.
Woo! Yeah. No crack rabbit today.
Still in the operating room.
All right, operating room.
In the operating room. We got this.
Yo, what's up?
What's up, Johnny?
Good to see you.
How's it going?
Long time no see, man. How are things?
Good.
Good? What the fuck? He's running away from me. Do a burnout! He's cooking. He's cooking. He got a fresh charge. Oh, there's Taiho. Came up from Maryland. Yo! All the way from Maryland.
Johnny Bryan.
Thank you for coming. Hey, and you must be Mrs. Taiho.
This is Johnny Bryan.
Pleasure to meet you. You guys have awesome bikes.
Hey, how you doing?
Guillermo. What's up? What's the verdict, Frankie?
It's it's gonna take a minute to get adjusted to it, man. I don't know how to turn it off though. Just right here on the power button.
Yeah. So what do you think?
Hey man, this has good torque and it's comfortable. You know what shocked me with this was the seat.
Makes a big difference,
Yeah,
right?
the seat is
Yeah.
cushiony, you know. And he told me you get like 50 miles.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
you-
yep, yep.
And you know, I like it.
I'm telling you, man. If I had one, I'd probably take it on group rides more than my other bikes. 'Cause
Right.
It's more comfortable and it's got better range.
And it's a good cruiser. It's like
yeah.
a cruiser.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh man. Jackrabbit POV. Yeah.
Oh, this guy.
Yo, yeah. Easy, you gotta take off easy.
They wanted to go up. Yo.
I did not expect that much torque out of this little thing.
Right? It pulls, right?
Twice I kicked up over here and opened it.
What do you think? How's the ride feel?
There's definitely a suspension seat for this.
Yeah.
Because it makes the ride a whole lot smoother.
Right.
She picks up.
Yeah.
I mean, she tops out, but she picks up. She feels comfy. And
Yeah.
she's light.
Yeah.
I love that.
Nico, you got to try this one.
Nah, this is the one. Bro, is this a new version of it?
This is the XG Pro.
XG Pro?
Yeah, it's a 750 watt motor.
My bad, bro.
I think it tops up at 23 miles an hour. 48 miles of range. It's a range beast. Rip it, baby. That's awesome. I love it. I love it. Have you tried the XG Pro yet?
Yeah.
From last time, right? Nico, you gonna wheelie that? You think it's doable?
It's hard.
Green machine.
It's got the torque for sure, but it's the brakes, right? Yeah, June, you're gonna like that one. everyone gets that on the first hit of the throttle. What do you think?
It's
Torquey, right, for a little guy?
It's definitely got some
Steve, what'd you think?
It's fun. It's torquey.
Yeah, right?
Super torquey. I like it.
Gonna get one for the wife?
I want the small one. I want to try the small one. Right. There's a couple small. There's the orange is 500 watt and all these.
Yeah, you don't gotta do no more. Don't break your head.
What'd you think?
I think it's awesome, man. It's nice.
Nice, right?
I gotta test it out.
I like.
I had to test it
Get
out.
on that. Get on that shit, June.
It's very, it's very nimble. Yes, very nimble. It's short. It actually maintains.
All right, June.
Like one of our guys.
All right, June. What do you think?
But this little thing, yes, it has some good power.
Yeah.
I'm surprised.
It's fun, right?
the suspension is on the money right here. Look.
Yeah, that makes a difference.
For
That
the
little
butts,
seat.
for the buns. That,
So-
for the people that don't have no buns.
Yeah.
Yeah, Sauron, this is more
Yo,
powerful than a Sauron.
Ebro Moto. Is this your first time trying the XG Pro?
Is it my first time? I think it might be.
Yeah.
So let's see how it goes. It looks
All right.
pretty awesome. I love Jackrabbit. I love my OG. And I already like how this feels all spacier and stuff.
Yes. Super
Let's
comfy.
see. Let's see how it does.
All right.
Let's go.
What's the verdict on this?
The verdict is it is sick. It is sick. It's super solid. I love it. I love the you know how bigger it feels, but it's still small.
Yeah.
Yeah. I can't wait to get it one day. I definitely gonna put some on my list.
Oh, nice, nice.
Let's go. Yes.
Oh shit! Off-road Jackrabbit. Awesome.
Can you tell you I'm starting a YouTube channel?
How do you like it?
Dude, I love this thing.
Isn't it awesome?
This is perfect for New York.
It's so comfortable, right?
Yeah.
That seat post. I like the one without the lights. I like that one better because it has the right yellow color for my bike.
That's your color. That's his channel color. Yeah.
You ordered one, Andy? You got one coming?
I want to.
I know exactly what I would use.
To take it with you on the airplane?
And in the car.
Got any sprayers?
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. So now we have Hermes, excuse me.
With you guys.
Yes, absolutely.
I like this. This is nimble.
Right?
Nimble.
It's comfy too. Nimble.
Hey, 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 hey.
Torquey, right?
I like this.
Big man on a little bike. What? No, there's a few modes. If you hit the little roundy button, yeah, you're in the high mode, so you're good. What'd you think?
I like it, man.
You like
it's
it?
cool, yeah.
It's a lot of fun. This one is super comfortable.
Yeah, this is the first time I've ridden this. I've ridden the XG and the OG. But yeah, no, it's definitely comfortable
Yeah.
with the seat. That was cool. Hold on.
Feedback?
I like it. I need another video. Getting a video. So, very nimble. Did not expect it.
Nice torque, right?
Awesome torque.
Have you tried the green one yet?
No.
That one's got a different motor.
Check it out. I like it.
Right?
Big boy.
Look at it right here. Look at it right here.
Which one's better?
I don't know.
He said he likes the white one.
I think I like the white one.
Really?
But I told him probably because it's lighter.
Yeah. Wait.
Oh, no, I gotta go clean.
Can we watch? Can we watch?
Wait. Someone go with him. Vinny, go to the back with him.
So guys, welcome to the pit street. Where we get fumbled right before we piss. It's motivation. You get to choose. All right, this one I chose.
This one's good. All right, I'm gonna stop now. There's a race happening here, foot race. I don't know how this came about.
1, 2, 3.
Make sure y'all pay attention.
Yo, chase is a race. Chase is a race. I want to make sure right? Chase is a race. Remember that. Yo. I want to make sure. I'm gonna do it quicker this time. Chase is a race. 3, 2, 1, go! Come on, Memo!
Oh my God. Oh my God, he went down.
Oh my God.
Such, who took it? Who took it? Who won?
Memo took it.
Who?
Billy won.
Billy won?
Yeah.
Viva Mexico!
That's crazy.
Who's racing? Not even tied?
I'm not gonna go, but I'm gonna go.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, come on,
Shitload of bikes today. Scooter town right here. Man. Got to cross the path over here. Got some more guys here. We got Thanos over here. Look at these guys. Damn. Is that another Stark? Fuck. 2 Starks today. We got Zeus. We got Spark. We got Sauron. We got Jackrabbit Central right here. Jackrabbit Central.
That's how I.
And helmets. We got.
Oh
no! Oh no! Kyle's on the suitcase mobile.
You might be too heavy.
If I had that, I told
What'd you say? It's shit or the shit?
I said it sounds like a shit. Look here.
Oh, the cargo. What kind of? No, you can tell me. Go ahead. It makes the video more fun.
It was nice out here, riding all the rabbits and hanging out with everybody. Peace out.
I love it. See you, man. Oh, that's cool. Damn, I didn't know we had that backpack. That's it, it's thinning out. Toward the end of the night here. I think it's 8:45. Electric Wednesday's wrapping up. Test ride's wrapping up. The Fend helmet folks just packed up and left. And we're just chilling. People having some food. That's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your family, and tell your fucking grandma.